charges aren't working because it's turn this way, low, lower. Real big deal for Six Design.
Like a once in a lifetime dream. It's never easy to try to balance work and family, but we do the best we can.
Every room in the hotel, you have to go 203 and 204.
That's why.
Hey,
So, tight schedule, so I just want to make sure all this stuff comes together.
As you guys have gotten more successful, that's usually where
The questions are, who are you going to be? And who are we going to become as good people, good parents, and live our passions out.
we're here for the Pond's Flawless White and Vegan Challenge. We really want to say that Pond's Flawless White is proven and beaten in giving you whiter, even tone skin. So we invited 9 beauty bloggers, and those 9 beauty bloggers actually invited their friends, and they used Pond's Flawless White for 3 weeks.
Sabido.
Basically, out of the 9 bloggers, 1 pair of winners
Sabido.
rose well, rose well.
Ay, nag-enter lang. Nag-enter lang.
Hi!
Hi! Ay. Mukha ko lang naman eh. Hi!
Stay tuned for more happenings around the metro with Kit Manila.
Trust yourself and go with it.
No way.
What?
Dove body wash is now only 80 pesos.
Let's all get naked. Hi, Lenny.
Oh! Ano ko yan? Channel ko yan?
Si Sabido nga eh.
You can order delicious sandwiches and Filipino food designed by chefs.
Lol.
Tonight, enjoy live rock and roll. It's the
I'm her friend.
sounds, live music, sounds like a CD, food, lights, great crowd. So if you're looking for a place to conduct your seminars, your meetings, your company parties, birthday parties, try the most famous bistro in the Philippines, Bistro RJ. You don't have to pay for the sound system, the band, or rent the venue. It's all there. We can package food and music and a great time for you. The new RJ Bistro at the Dusitani Hotel. Call
Sa Dusit.
0921-649-1447 or call the Dusit Hotel at 519-8396 or call
Ay, naku, si Baby Friend. Pasa ng pasa lang.
899-3108. Be part of the legend. The new RJ Bistro.
Hey girl, I really wanna see you, but you set my life so na. Party, party! DFKANSE entered. DFKN. DFKN. Hindi ko pala. Ayan o.
It's Kate before she became a fashion icon in 2008 at a roller skating rink where she fell flat on her backside. She's dressed in roller girl chic, shiny green top, yellow hot pants, and pink leg warmers. You
I
won't
will
be
never
seeing the princess in a
start
getup
with
like
you
this again,
to
that's for
around.
sure.
That's all from London. Hope you enjoy
Ay,
our
mapakita yung TV.
Mababan ako.
Eh, tinig ng tinitignan mo kasi. Dito ko nga lang nilalagay.
From the wedding of the century,
Bawal
designed
pala
by the
yan.
royal hat designer himself, Philip Tracy. It is pretty
Enrique
fabulous.
Zales
See you
entered.
next weekend.
Dami pwede.
Magiging uso yung mga hat sabay na yun. May sombrero.
Hmm. NHK. Paboritong channel ng mga Hapon. Siyempre, Hapon yan eh. Siyempre, Hapon yan, NHK.
Ano ka ba? Kanino ba yung boxer shorts ko yun?
Bakit? Sa lalaki. Sa lalaking minsan dumaan sa buhay ko.
Okay naman.
Magaling. Magaling, mabilis.
Mabilis lang.
Mm-mm.
Hindi siya magaling.
Mabilis ang performance. Ouch!
The famous Angel Temple building.
Uy,
a
alas
place
12
that was
na.
known for the revival of Sister Amy McPherson.
Gusto kong panoorin yung movie. Kaso maliit lang ito eh.
Mm.
Saan mo kaya ito?
Ayun, meron ka namang ano, diba?
You see Donald Trump today said, I am very proud. Was once commonplace throughout the world. Discovered in
Gusto ko
Wow.
papakita yung TV ah.
Oo, nito lang ang mukha kong napakaputi. Ang puti ko sa cam!
The animal bones show the marks where the meat has been cut away for human consumption. But what shocked scientists, however, was that human remains were found here too. And those bones also
Ay,
showed
manood
the
ng
same
orange,
marks
may white
from
pa.
the flesh-cutting tools.
Ay, may F.
And this is a replica of part of the skull of one of a number of people who were stripped of their flesh
Japan, ano?
in these
Mega
caves.
quick. Ano?
But I want to find people alive today that have practiced cannibalism. So I'm traveling to the other side of the world. Some of the most recent accounts of cannibal activity come from tribal populations on the island of New Guinea. The island sits just north of the Australian continent and holds some of the least explored areas of the world. I'm heading to
Oo nga,
Papua
yung Papua
New
New
Guinea, the
Guinea.
eastern half of the island, to begin my journey.
Hi, 10 viewers!
Wow, may
New Guinea is one of the
Kanina,
poorest countries
24.
in the world and suffers from a very high crime rate, particularly
Hello!
in towns and cities.
Hello!
The cultural diversity is immense, with over 800 languages being spoken in
Ayaw
this
niya
country.
naman.
I want to travel
Baka
to
pa
the
kaya,
island's
puro ka pa.
interior to find indigenous
Yung
groups that have practiced
saksakan hindi
cannibalism.
na aabot.
Bakit yan?
But first, I need to look
Pwede naman
into
pag ganyan, ano, kababa naman eh.
under Australian rule.
Ano? Bakit?
Government patrols led by officers known as PIAs explored the country's interior. What they found was a cultural time capsule.
Ang puti ko, sarap mag-picture-picture sa Facebook.
Sino mo, 1970, ganun pa itsura niya. Ayun, tinan mo.
And patrols also reported coming into contact with
Reported.
cannibals.
Well, the accent.
These reports are still kept in the National
Beerman,
Archives.
37, entered.
I'm hoping they'll lead me to the territories where
Do
people
you know
practice
him?
cannibalism.
And he left.
So what is setting up outposts in remote regions?
Hello. Hi, peopleette.
This is a 3-day
Hindi ko nakikita eh. Malay ko ba?
cannibalization.
Hi,
The motivation
Sinaron. Tama ba?
Sino ron yan, cute yan?
Hi, cute.
many of the reports involving cannibalism.
Hi. Hi, 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 hi.
So that's where I'll
Yan,
get
bata ko. Ang bata ko, no age mo lang yata.
jungle and mountainous terrain has kept many of the pocketed communities isolated. Between the 1940s and 60s, a patchwork of airstrips were built to make it possible to move around the vast wilderness.
I like it, come on, come on, come on. This place is about to blow, blow. Can't see you yet. Sabi niya? Sabi ni Cineron, can't see you yet. The damn ads. Lenny, you look amazing. Oh my god. Oh wait, you're not Lenny, huh? Gotcha. Yep.
Due to tribal fighting and widespread
Yeah.
cannibalism, restricted areas to outsiders until 1969.
This place is about to blow. So what's up, 14 viewers? And again, Beerman. Hi, Beerman. 37. 37, is that an age? And Beerman left. Pop. Bye. Brad Carlson left. Oh. Run, 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 run. Excuse. Kills, mate. This place is about to blow. Blow. Stop ko na. Thank you very much indeed.
Number ni Melandro Jimeno. Pinsan ko. Sabi ko na dito para nalito na dito para hindi ito malaglaga.
Palobat na rin to eh, nag-yellow na. Ay, where is he? May 9? Ayoko nga. May 2 kasi darating daw siya. Tapos magkita raw kami ng May 9. Itong kachat ko sa YM. Mambababae muna siya kasi bago niya ako. Damn, all the boys in the world. Sorry. Just kidding. Kakayosi. Hindi ko alam. Yun lang yun siguro nga. Ito na nga, naglo-loss yun na nga eh. Kasi may loss yun na eh.
Does that mean there are people alive in this village who have eaten people?
Matit. Kilala mo yun? Matit. M-A-T-T-I-T-T. Gusto niya pa namin titi. Puro siya ng titi.
Daisy is taking me to meet some of the village elders, so I think I'm about to meet, for the first time, people who...
Wala, ayaw basahin ng globe. Joke lang. Ayan na.
What I'm particularly interested to find out is whether cannibalism
Ay, taka nag...
Contacts and contacts.
or if it has some ritualistic meaning behind it.
This place is about to blow. Saan ba makikita yun? Where? I forgot. I forgot where can you see